Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I'm back again. I've got a little semi-update to the previous back-to-school haul for your kids. Please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get going. Okay, here's my first stop at the Dollar Tree. We're going to go to Walmart. I got something for you there too. So I want to show you these little thermal things. They're going to tie in to the thing I have in the Walmart haul. So I want to show you the comparison sizes of these bottles. So they've got them a little bit bigger. Now this one's a lot bigger. They're all $1. Okay, they had a 3-pack mini snack container. So I thought these are really cool. You could color coordinate them by kid or by snacks. So just an option. And they had this little oval ice pack. That was cool. You could put water in the top and make ice and then put your lid on. That was another option. So I saw these soup mugs for the parents. So just in case you're one of those parents that take your lunch to work, that was an option for you. Okay, here are some journals that I saw there. These are nice. This red one was really nice. It's a hardbound one. It's by Jot, which is the Dollar Tree brand. And they had like 3 or 4 different variations of these. So, nice. I used to have one of these, but now I'm a planner girl, so I carry my little mini planner with me everywhere. That's nice. Rose gold color on the cover of that. And here's some little soft bound ones. So, you know, if you keep a little notebook in your kitchen or you carry one in your purse, that would be a perfect size. Okay, here's my Walmart stop. So here is where I'm gonna tie in my Dollar Tree stop. So they've got all of these lunch bags for kids. Okay, they've got LOL, they've got other ones, but here's an idea. If you get a thermal lunch bag and it doesn't have a juice container in there or something to put your snacks in, you could always buy it, probably less than these. These are $9.99. Okay, if you found one for $5 or $6, you could just go back to the Dollar Tree and get a drink container and a snack container and put it in there. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. You're welcome. Okay, here is a good deal right here. This is a 70-page subject notebook. So if your kid needs multiple of these, I think Walmart is the place to buy them. Okay, look at this, 25 cents. Okay, your kids need folders, pocket folders, any kind of folders. They've got them at Walmart, okay? And let me just tell you, the low end is 15 cents, depending on what they need. And I think on the high end, I'm just gonna round it up and say $1.50, okay? So if you need any kind of folders, I think Walmart, you need to go there first. Look at these little ones right here. They're, 97 cents. So let's just say $1, okay? So those different variations, different colors. So if they need a folder for every class, Walmart's got them. So these are, it goes like the entire row, top to bottom, are folders on this aisle. Okay, I think Walmart's got the price deal on these, but if I see anything else out there where I see a price drop on it, I will definitely upload a video and let you guys know. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, that was an update to my previous Dollar Tree and Walmart back to school video. So please leave any questions or comments below. And if you don't want to miss out on any future updates, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.